So what is hard water? This video will discuss the meaning of hard water, what hard water does to your hair, and what you can do to rectify that problem. So first, that term hard water. Hard water is water that contains high level of minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium. These minerals accumulate as water moves through soil and rocks, picking up mineral deposits along the way. You can usually tell you have hard water if you notice white, chalky buildup on faucets or your soap doesn't lather well. Hard water has all these minerals in it that can make your hair dry and brittle. And honestly, it's not cute. Imagine trying to style your hair and it's just not cooperating. Especially for us with afro hair, which already tends to be on the drier side, we need all the moisture we can get. And hard water just strips it all away. It's like hard water just comes for us extra hard. Every wash feels like a battle against dryness. And it's not just your hair, your scalp suffers too. So let's break down some other effects of hard water. Now, first is product buildup. Hard water can react with shampoos and conditioners, causing residues that weighs hair down and makes it feel greasy or sticky. Not only that, hard water causes scalp issues. So what happens is that those minerals, basically calcium and magnesium, clogs your hair follicles and irritates the scalp, leading to dandruff or itchiness. And honestly, nobody wants to be itchy head all day. Another thing hard water causes is color fading. We may have vibrant color or nice color. So what happens is hard water causes the hair dye to fade gradually, and you notice our hair just strip off its normal color and we tend to develop strands of whitish hair. And trust me, I've been there. It's a struggle, but knowing the enemy is the first step to fighting back, isn't it? So dealing with hard water is a whole thing. It's like a never-ending battle that you just can't seem to win. Your coils lose its bounce, becoming limp and lifeless. And we've also talked about breakage. But what can you do to fight back against hard water, if we say so? One thing, hard water might seem like a problem, but it's not unbeatable. There are ways to fight back. You don't have to let hard water affect your hair and your skin. One option is to get a water softener. The device can be installed in your home and works to remove the mineral from your water. This little gadget does well to remove some of these minerals, and so you don't have to deal with the dryness associated with those minerals. It can really make a huge difference in the quality of your water. But if a water softener sounds to be like a big commitment or is expensive for you, you can try a filtered shower head. These are easy to install and can be a great first step. And also is a cheaper option as well, and it still helps to filter out some of those harsh minerals. Your hair and your skin will thank you later if you fix this. And the last part is hair products. Now, there are some hair products that is a game changer. So look for shampoos and conditioners that are specifically designed for hard water. They contain ingredients that help to combat the effects of mineral buildup. You see, these products can help to remove mineral buildup And the good part about this product is that it had some much needed moisture to your hair to bring the hair back to sort of the natural way it was. Some of these shampoos, they call them chelating shampoos, clarifying treatment. All of these help with your hair. And the bonus tip is to use ACV, apple cider vinegar. After each wash, if you cannot afford any of this, try to use ACV to rinse your hair to break down the mineral residue. Yes, with the right approach, you can keep your hair looking and feeling great, even with hard water. Listen, I know dealing with hard water can be a real pain, but trust me, there are ways to manage it. And it's all about finding what works best for you and your hair. And honestly, don't be afraid to experiment with different products. If you try one, it doesn't work for you, you can try another. And most importantly, don't give up on your hair. With a little effort, you can have dehydrated hair of your dreams. Even if you live in a hard water zone, you got this. If you found these tips helpful and you want more advice, please subscribe. We're here to help you navigate all your beauty challenges and improve your braiding skills. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.